Life Science. Structures and Processes. Grade 5-1. Matter and energy in organism. Animals and plants have basic survival needs, such as air and water. Animals also need food, and plants also need light. The habitat can meet the basic needs of living things. Photosynthesis. The nutrients needed for plant growth are obtained from sunlight through photosynthesis. Plants depend on water and light to grow. They collect water through the root system. They use leaves to collect light. The leaves are the food manufacturing part of the plant. They use light, water and carbon dioxide to make sugar for growth and seed development. This is photosynthesis. Plant cells have chloroplasts, which are special organelles that contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll captures the light energy required for photosynthesis. The cells with the highest chloroplast content are located on the upper surface of leaves exposed to sunlight. The energy absorbed by chlorophyll helps to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar for plant growth and oxygen released by plants. System and system models. System model of photosynthesis.
What is the light to do with leaves of plants?
They absorb the light and produce the sugar.
During photosynthesis, what gas do the plants absorb and what are they produce?
They absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen.
What part of the plant absorbs water?
The root.
Energy in photosynthesis. The supply of energy and of each needed chemical element restricts a system's operation. Without inputs of energy, sunlight, and matter, carbon dioxide and water, a plant cannot grow. Energy and matter. Energy and matter of photosynthesis.
In photosynthesis, which is the energy, and which is the matter?
Light is the energy, and carbon dioxide and water are the matters.
Wiki. Energy and matter.
Matter is the essence of all materials. This means that the object has mass. Energy is used in science to describe the potential that a physical system must change. It can be transferred between objects and converted into forms.
Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the trees to a large extent, be it forests, any barren land or trees we see on our way to school every day. Forest wood has been an essential need for us since the time of civilization and still continues to be the main source for many uses in our day-to-day life. Causes of deforestation: 1. Forest fires. 2. Logging. 3. Agricultural activities. 4. Mining. 5. Wood production. 6. Urbanization. 1. Forest fires. Because of forest fires all over the world, we lose a lot of trees every year. This happens due to extreme summer and winter. 2. Logging. Illegal logging is very common, destroying people's livelihoods dependent on forests. 3. Agricultural activities. The conversion of forests into farmland is an important cause of deforestation. 4. Mining. Oil and coal mining requires large amounts of forest land. Road construction can lead to deforestation because they provide access to remote lands. 5. Wood production. One of the main reasons for deforestation is wood production. It is a source of raw materials for paper making and construction. 6. Urbanization. As the population grows, people's needs increase, which further leads to deforestation. As cities expand, the increase in population directly affects forests, so more land is needed for housing and settlement. Effects of deforestation: 1. Flood. 2. Biodiversity loss. 3. Soil erosion. 4. Emission of greenhouse gases. 1. Flood. When it rains, trees absorb and store large amounts of water with the help of their roots. Deforestation will lead to land loss, because trees will maintain the surface of the mountains. The water level of the river suddenly increased, causing flooding. 2. Biodiversity loss. Deforestation has changed the land, and many plants and animals cannot survive. With more deforestation, the entire species may become extinct. Since every species in the ecosystem is dependent on other species, the loss of one species may have a profound impact on other species. 3. Soil erosion. Cutting down trees will lead to deforestation and therefore soil erosion will occur. A large amount of soil washed into local streams and rivers, and destroyed the hydropower structure and irrigation infrastructure. 4. Emission of greenhouse gases. Deforestation leads to greenhouse gas emissions. Gases such as methane and carbon dioxide absorb heat into the Earth's atmosphere, leading to climate change. Causes and effects. Causes and effects of deforestation.
What is the cause of land loss?
Deforestation causes land loss.
What is the cause of biodiversity?
Deforestation causes species loss.
What is the effect of agriculture and urbanization to the forests?
They cause greenhouse gas emission.